Okay, so as mentioned before, we will open this one by one, all the components. Okay, so this is the book. I already read the project one of this, and things pretty basic. But I already forgot how to do these things because I think it's been how many years ago? 15 years ago since I touched a circuit board. So this is the USB cable. So what's inside this USB cable? Okay, so this is I believe this is for connecting into your computer, and then this one will be connected into your Arduino, and then when you finish coding, you will then load the program into the Arduino. Okay, so I think I will have to buy another box for this, so that a toolbox for all these electronic toys. And this one is the breadboard jumper wire. Um, so the jumper wire is this. So yeah, I forgot where's my. I I actually had a crimper and like a cutter. So yeah, basically you can just do this on your own. But yeah, I bought the kit so that it will be fast for me because I'm a full-time programmer now, and I have a lot of jobs, and I have to learn this quick, refresh myself quick, so I don't have to spend time cutting this you know. Okay, so these are the these are the wires, jumper wires. You can connect from here into here, and then you can just do some magic there. And this actually is a very small breadboard. There's actually like a longer breadboard, and you can buy more breadboard, and you can attach to each other. So, but this one is just for starter kit, and I think this is made for kids. So yeah, we'll, we'll buy more breadboards as we progress into building Arduino based projects. So let's return this thing here, and let's put this back here. So back in college, we were using assembly language to program integrated circuits. I believe it's 16A47, I think. I already forget what's the IC number of that microprocessor. Okay, now we do it to
the movement of the robot.
I don't know if you understand that basic English there, but yep. And this one is the LCD, so you can attach the why is it did it oh yeah, sorry. So this is the LCD, and you can attach the pin here, and I believe it will be connected like this pins here. It will be connected, and this will display like graphics, maybe like text. I'm not sure if it can draw like basic icons. Yeah, but this one here is cool. And another one here is the servo motor. So these are the servo motor. Actually, these servo motors are pretty small. What we have back then is a bigger one. So this is a very small servo motor. But this is good enough for studying again. Because yeah, I already wash up my electronics skills or knowledge. So these are the these are for servo motor, and these are for DC. You can actually buy this everywhere, and like there's a street here in Cebu before where we can buy a lot of electronic stuff. Okay, so this is it, pencil, and this one here is the electronic kit components. So what are this? Yeah, okay, so the electronic kit components. These are the pins here. I don't know if you these are the LEDs. These are like connectors. Okay, I think I will have to redo my video. So after checking, yeah, I think it's still okay. The components that we're showing is still very visible in the video, so I don't have to redo the videos because it's a waste of time. Okay, and this is the Arduino one. Let's open this baby. Okay, so this is the Arduino. Actually, this is an old Arduino, I think, and I'm not sure, but there's a lot of new components. I saw a Reddit comment in my video that it was saying that Arduino is an out of date stuff. So there's a lot of newer things to do IoT, but who cares? I still need to learn Arduino, right? And do the basic stuff again, and then move on to more cooler devices. But yeah, I won't be very serious on this. I'll just make some very basic automation at home, and I think this thing can do the job. Okay, that's it. That's all the components, and I think this is very like a toy here. I'm not really sure if I bought a second-hand device because this one is already teared when I opened the box, and yeah, I don't care. Just wanna code. And okay, so this is the thank you for choosing an Arduino board and supporting the community. Okay, and this one is a sticker, and yeah, I will put it on the laptop, so I will have to put it here. And that's it. I will make a video of building the first project later videos, because I still have to. I'm not sure if I can make the video as I study, but I will make the video once I think the project is done. So here it's setting up how to set up the thing. So this is the project number 1. Get to know your tools. There's a switch, there's an LED, and then resistor. Yep, I will like spend 3 hours per week, I think, for this. I'm not sure if it's enough, but yeah, it's just for playing and exercising your brain. And this one here are the sensors, and I'm still not really sure what I can do on all these sensors, but these sensors will be utilized once I've done, I think, all of the projects in the starter kit. And oh yeah, so yeah, these are all just sensors. So it for detecting like heat or sound or distance, maybe. What happened here? What is this? Okay, so that's it again. Please like and subscribe, and tell your family and friends to subscribe as well. I really need it, because my wife will throw me outside the window if I won't have any subscribers. Please.